What's up guys, welcome to Tensef Tech YouTube channel. As Huawei is moving forward, it is making devices which are awesome and includes great specification and affordable price. And today I am unboxing just like that device from Huawei, which is affordable and have a great specification in it. As you see from the box, it's Huawei P30 Lite new edition, which has arrived this month in the market and it is upgraded from its last variant. Now it is faster and better since it has awesome features and low price, and the price in US is $319. So before moving on to the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel as I bring unboxing and reviews of latest smartphone and latest tech news from smartphone world. So let's move on and see what Huawei P30 Lite will offer. Huawei P30 Lite box is different to its old variant and have mentioned some of the main specification on the front side of the box. While moving on the side, we have a Huawei P30 Lite branding on it, and on the back side we have seen nothing there. While on bottom it has written some specification about the device. As the variant I am unboxing has Kirin 70 processor, have a 128 gigs of storage and a faster 6 gigs of RAM and a 3700 mAh of a battery. So the battery which included in Huawei P30 Lite is going to be enough for a whole day of use. It also comes with two different colors as well, which is white and black. Now moving on, let's open the box and see what is inside this new edition of Huawei P30 Lite will offer to us. So I will first cut out the two seals with my little knife. So here I make the first cut and the second cut. Ensuring that I have cut the seal accurately, I will cut it again. So here we open the box and the first thing we have encountered is the device itself, while it is wrapped in plastic. Let's unwrap this and see the device first look and appearance. So when looking it first time, it is a nice from the front, and even the back side is more impressive than the front, having a nice premium and glossy look, and the peacock blue color is just stealing the show, nice and elegant. Let's put aside the device for a moment and look what other accessories are coming inside the box. By looking at the box, we see a SIM ejector coming in the box, and along with that we have some paperwork coming, which is a quick start guide, as we don't need these quick start guides as I am expecting that we already know how to operate the smartphone. Okay, let's unwrap the pack and see which case is coming with Huawei P30 Lite. So it's a normal transparent TUF plastic cover coming inside the box. Nevertheless, it is good to have a case which is coming for free. Let's put aside these and see what other things are coming inside the box. So the first thing which is coming inside the box is a USB to Type-C cable, which is kind of a nice from Huawei, as it will improve data transfer faster and a faster charging. And the second thing is charger, and its speed is 9 volt and 2 ampere, which can charge the Huawei P30 Lite 1 hour and 45 minutes. Well, the last thing which is come with the box are the standard headphone, nothing fancy in. Looking at the front side, we have a 6.15 inch of screen with a TFT LCD Full HD resolution, and we don't see AMOLED inside P30 Lite, as we can expect this is a low price budget phone, so it will not come with this kind of a high-end feature. On the front side there is a water drop notch, making it an Infinity V display. Along with that we have a front facing camera of 24 megapixel. On the top side we have a SIM tray and a noise cancellation mic. While moving at the back side, look at my friend. Wow, look at the back, which has a glossy look and a beautiful design. And when it comes to gradient design, Huawei definitely is the king. Its 3D glass on the back is very premium, doesn't look like a mid-jowl, but instead looks like an expensive phone. Let's move the back sticker cover, which is on the back side. We have a fingerprint scanner on the back side. 3 cameras are mounted on the top left, in which one is a 48 megapixel standard camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor for a nice bokeh, and a flashlight below the camera module. While moving on the bottom side, we have 3.5mm headphone jack, a Type-C port for charging and for data transfer, a noise cancellation, and a speaker. while on the right side we have two buttons, one is power and the other one is volume rocker, and on the left side we have nothing, it's simple plain sight. Let's turn the device on and set it up very quickly. So here is the screen with the bright color, and the software it running is Huawei EMUI 9, which is based on Android 9 Pie. Huawei P30 Lite has both fingerprint and face scanner, so I come back after a quick setup of both of them, so we can check out whether these two are faster or not. So I have set up both fingerprint and face unlock scanner. Let's test first the fingerprint scanner, whether it is quick enough to unlock the device or not. So on the first attempt it unlocked the phone very fast, while on the second attempt it have done the same thing as the first time. It unlocked the phone faster and quicker. So overall we can say that the fingerprint scanner in Huawei P30 Lite is faster. Now move on to the face unlock. Let's start the test and look whether it is fast to unlock or not. Whenever I put my face in front of the lock, it unlocked the phone. On first attempt it passed the test, while on the second attempt it also passed the test. The one thing which I have noticed while unlocking the phone using face scanner is that it will unlock the phone but it will remain on the lock screen. It will not go onto the screen until we swipe it to move to menu screen. I have tried more than once and it unlocked very fast. Let's jump into the camera portion. As we know, it is a triple camera setup. Inside the camera there are different modes like the night mode, slow motion, portrait mode and an AI mode. It has a 2x optical zoom, which is a nice feature. One of the best thing in the camera is that we can change the angle while shooting on a video. While recording on a video on a normal mode, we can change the video from standard to ultra wide without stopping the video, which is a kind of a nice and cool. I have taken some sample as well, which I am showing you right now. At last, let's check whether it supports 2 SIM or an SD card or not. As I open the SIM tray, it has a hybrid slot. Either we can put 2 nano SIMs or we can add 1 SIM and an SD card. Either way is your own wish to use the dual SIM or use the SD card. If you live in UAE and want to buy this device, then there is a shop in Dera. Its name is Arman General Trading. You can contact with them, and the price here in UAE is 999 AED. So this is all in this device. I have tried my level best to give you full detail review of the device. If you like this video, consider subscribing. I will meet you in the next video. Peace out.